Hi, wanna test your Samsung Galaxy S22 for faulty speaker? Then open Settings. Here, go in the Device Care tab, and after that, select the Diagnostic section. So now you would be able to see 3 options after it will load: Phone Diagnostics, App Battery Usage, and App Safety. So, as a first step, if you haven't run diagnostics before, you need to run phone diagnostics and test all 24 features. And after that, you would see this tab and you would be able to test separately the speaker. So let's select the speaker here, and now we would need to select this test again. And here you can see on-screen instructions. So when you are ready, you just need to select this play button and test the speaker. Now, if you heard the sound, you need to select yes, and now let's play it again. And if you heard it as well, you would need to select yes, and here you can see your result that the speaker is in normal condition. And you can do just the same with any other features, for example, microphone. And that's it how it works. I hope this video was helpful for you, and thank you for watching.